All right, y'all, this is a brand new Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. It's never been out of this little box. Just took it out for the first time. It doesn't have an OS on it. It doesn't have anything. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go all the way from taking this guy out of the box for the first time to putting an operating system on it, to getting this thing to run a web server that we can connect to with another computer in our house. First thing we're going to do, we do have a little SanDisk 8 gig micro SD, which is more than enough for the task. We have this little adapter thing. We're about to go to this computer right here. For the rest of this, I'll share the screen with you. We're going to plug this guy in here. But this Pi is never going to connect to that computer. I'm just going to plug it in right here, right now. Well, I'm not going to plug it in yet. There's no reason to. There's nothing. It's not going to do anything yet. But whenever I do, all it's going to get is power from that jack going to right here. It's not going to be plugged into this computer at all. But for now, we're going to bring our micro SD and go over to the Mac. Okay, we are going to get started now. We are at Grok right now. We're going to be using Grok a lot for this because I don't really know what I'm doing in Linux, but Grok does. That's what we're gonna lean on big time. I have done this one other time before. Another place you should be aware of if you're doing this for the first time is raspberrypi.com. Software. For this, you will need to download the Raspberry Pi Imager. I already have it on my computer, so I'm going to open that now. And these steps are very important. Okay, let me get this guy off the screen. So now we're in the Imager, and we're going to choose device. In our case, it's going to be a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. The OS we're going to choose is Raspberry Pi OS, but I think we want the Lite. Let's see. I think we want the Lite 64-bit or 32-bit. We're going to go with 64-bit. Okay, and then storage. We're going to make sure we put that. This is the 8 gigabyte memory card I was showing you just a minute ago. Okay, and then we're going to click next. And then this is important. We need to edit these settings. So, and I'm going to make sure I write these down too, because we're going to need these to log in later. So we're going to set the host name to NeverPi. And I did write that down just now. Okay, set username and password. We're going to also make that NeverPi and then never pass. Okay, so I'm jotting that down. And this is I'm doing this install just for the purposes of this video. As a matter of fact, I even made a whole new Wi-Fi, and I forgot what it's called. Okay. We're going to be going to the Wi-Fi router for this video at some point in this video also. So we might as well go now. Going to the admin panel. I'm going to log in because I forget what I called that other Wi-Fi. NeverNet. I set up an IoT network here. Called NeverNet. Okay, so NeverPi, password is that, and this is NeverNet, and then the password for this, it's not letting me backspace. That's weird. I don't like that. I wonder if it always shows dots. You know what? I'm going to choose show password. Okay. Oh, it generated that or something. All right. Never pass is the password. Okay. Wireless LAN country, set locale settings. That's all good. Services. This is very important. Enable SSH. We're going to use password authentication. And all that stuff is fine. Neverpi.local. Nevernet. Okay, never pass. And yeah. Would you like to apply? Yes. And then once we hit that, it's going to get our permission here. And then it's going to start writing. In your case, it's probably going to have to download the image. I already have this downloaded. It's cached, so all mine has to do is write it. It does take it about, I don't know, probably 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and pause here. Okay, it is finished writing. So we're going to take this card out. We're going to put it in the Raspberry Pi, and we're going to pray this thing actually. We're going to pray we did everything correctly, because we can't see what's going on now until we actually SSH into this guy here in just a moment. Okay, so we're back on the Mac. We have the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi 02W is... I see some stuff going on with the LED. It keeps flashing, the little green LED. So... first of all, let's find out what IP address that thing got assigned, because I have no idea. So the easiest way, I think, would be just to do this and see if it pops up. Let's see, devices, it says 4. I don't know if it's including IoT network or not. I don't think it's connected to... Okay, yeah, it would say it across the top here. If it is connected, it's not connected yet. So I'm going to give it a couple more minutes. Okay, it's about 2 minutes later, and we can see a new device on the network. It's Neverpi. That's exactly what we want to see, too. So we need to go figure out... I'm going to go to Advanced. And we're going to take a look at the devices. Now, your router is going to be different, of course. Here's Neverpi right here. And let's see. We're going to go ahead. We're going to go to Network Settings. I'm going to go to IPv4 Address Distribution. That's how I do it here anyway. Connection List. And I'm going to find Neverpi right here. And it's set up as a dynamic IP. We're going to edit this to a static lease. And let me just try and apply that. We're trying to get 1.52. Let's see, where is it now? Got a lot of stuff on here. It says static. And it is at 1.52. So I'm going to make a note of that. 192.168.1.152. All right. So that's all set. So now what we're going to do, don't quite need Grok yet, but what we can do, we're going to open up our terminal, and I'm using this program called iTerm, which I like better than the normal terminal, but you can use whatever you like for this, of course. Another thing I tried yesterday that I really like, CyberDuck for FTP. We'll be looking at that in a moment too. So first, let's see if we can ping. We're going to see if we can ping that IP address. Okay, and we can. That's working fine. And then next, we're going to SSH into it. never pi at, this should work, 2.168.1.152. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Okay, now the password is never pass. Okay, and good. We're logged in. We have a successful SSH session. I'm having trouble with that for some reason. But yeah, so that's good to go. That's awesome. And then something else we can go ahead and do. We can load up old CyberDuck here. And we can also open a connection at 192.168.1.152. Oh, and we're not using FTP. That's not installed. We're going to use SFTP, which uses SSH. I'm having trouble with that. A protocol to transfer files. Okay, and then we're just going to do our credentials again. Never pi, never pass. And then let's connect. Okay, and there's nothing in here, but we're in the home directory of never pi right now. So that's good. That we're making great progress here. This has been really smooth so far. And so now I'm going to tell Grok, tell you what I can do. I can put my FTP here. I can put my terminal right here. That'll be fine. And then, hey, Grok, we can put you over here. I think we can close eBay, and we might need Verizon router again. Although, actually, I don't think we do, because we already have our static IP address set up, which I like to do with all these little devices. Any of these Wi-Fi devices that I play around with, I like to give them static IP, so I don't have to chase them down. Okay, so I'm going to tell Grok, I have a Pi 0 2W. For now, I'm just going to call it 2W for brevity. With a fresh install of Raspberry Pi, 64-bit, light OS, no desktop, I want you to walk me through step-by-step installing a web server, and I named what web server we want to install. And having the 2W host a simple welcome web page accessible by other computers on the local network. And we're just going to get Grok to walk us through this. I'll assume you've already got the Pi booted up, connected to your network, and you're accessing it via SSH. Okay? Before installing anything, ensure your system is up to date. Now, when I did this on, and I'm just going to copy this. When I did this the last time, this took quite a while. Like, I think it might have taken like 10 minutes. I think this is going to take a little while. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and let this guy run, and I'm going to pause, and we'll be back. It is 10:49 right now. Okay, so we're back, probably close to 2 minutes later, maybe a minute and a half. And now we're going to do step 2, upgrade install packages to the latest versions. This might be the one that takes so long. I'm just going to copy and paste. And yeah, I think I'm going to pause this again too. And let's see how long this one takes, because it's 10:51 right now. Okay, I am back. I want to make sure I was rolling as it finished up, and I think it is almost finished. It's on 99%, as you can see. But this thing has been running for, what, like 23 minutes now, I think. Is that when? Was it 11:51 or 3? I don't remember. But it's been like about 20 minutes here. I think it had to update every single file on the Pi, which makes me wonder, like, maybe my cached image isn't the latest one or something. I don't know. This took quite a while though, or is still taking. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, right after I said that, came back to the prompt. Okay, man, I wonder if I should restart the thing. It sure did a lot. Okay, so we're back in Grok. Let me Drag grok over there. Okay. Step 2, install Nginx. Okay, we're going to install Nginx. And I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. Okay. I don't think this part takes very long. I said that, and now it's doing a progress bar. Looks like it's moving along pretty good, though. And I don't know if I don't know if you get this progress bar if you just use a standard terminal. I don't think you do. I think that might be a feature being used by iTerm here. Another cool thing, you can have tab terminals. So I have another window here already SSH'd. I got to get better at saying that. Into another session here, just in case I want to. And then I like having multiple terminals and the FTP window open here. It just makes everything super easy. Okay, so once installed, it should start automatically. Verify it's running. Okay. Man, when you don't know Linux, it is so nice having someone just tell you what to do. Okay, let's see. You should see active running in the output. It does say active running right here. Okay, so we should have a web server going. Press Control C to exit the status. Okay, gonna press that. All right. Okay, configure. Optional defaults check. Comes with a default web page, but we'll replace it later. For now, let's ensure it's working. Find your Pi's IP address. Already know it. Hostname -I. Oh, I guess I could do it like that, huh? I could do never Pi -I. Oh, no, wait. Oh, never mind. I'm supposed to do exactly that. Okay. 192.168.1.152. Okay. Note this down. From another computer on the same network, open a browser and type. Okay, so we're just going to go there, and it should be serving the default web page, 168.1.152. Okay, welcome to Nginx. Okay, so good. That web server is running. Okay. Step 4, create a simple welcome web page. Navigate to the default web directory. Okay, so we're going to actually do that. Okay, we're going to do that in FTP. Maybe. Now, you know what? I will do it in the terminal. cd/var/www. Oh, I don't know why I'm typing. I'm not supposed to do that. Sorry, y'all. I won't do that again. Remove. Okay, there is that file we were just looking at. It's this index.nginx.debian.html. We're going to remove that. Okay, and removed it, and we're going to create a new index file. Okay. And look, we're almost done. This was like, this has gone so easy. Welcome to my... Oh, wait. I forgot. Got a cursor up there. There's another, while we're here, I'll make it never Pi server. Okay, then we're going to do control right out. Index is fine. And then we're going to do control X for exit. Okay, so now if we do ls, we should see index.html. And then we can also get there like this. And there's that file right there. Index.html. Okay, so set proper permissions for the file. Okay. I will do that. Okay. Okay. Restart to apply changes. Okay. From another device on your network, visit. Okay. So we're going to do that now. And this will be the test. Yeah. Hello from Raspberry Pi 02W. This is my custom welcome page. Well, there we have it. We have gone from taking that Pi out of the box. It didn't have an operating system or anything. We installed the operating system. We updated everything. We got the IP address from the Pi. Well, we got it to, we got into it with SSH. I don't know why I'm having trouble with that. And we got the web server installed, up and running. We got a file edited and running on it. So yeah, this is kind of the real fancy hello world type video. And yeah, I'm glad I did it. This is only my second time doing this, and it went off like without a hitch. Being able to put that put your Wi-Fi credentials and turn SSH on means that you don't have to have a keyboard. You don't have to have this Pi hooked up to a keyboard or a monitor or a mouse or anything. You just have to give that sucker power and it's good to go. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you guys again very soon. Bye, y'all.